Today's unboxing is this Kent Stowe Daisy Grubber. So this is obviously a gardening tool. Lovely handle, nice wooden, and it's embossed in there. Durable, nice and thick stainless steel it looks like. So it feels quite heavy duty for a daisy grubber. You can, I'm sure, grab a lot more things than that. Nice label, Kent Stowe Daisy Grubber, 15-year guarantee, so that's a testament to the quality. So we'll look inside. Quality item. I quite like the label on, so I'm going to leave it on for now. But a nice little leather strap on there. Feels really durable. There's a good size on there. I like that. We'll have to go and give it some testing. I'm going to give that a solid 10 out of 10.